In this video, I'll show you how to create an account on TurboTax so you can start filing your taxes easily and securely. So let's get started. First, you'll open your browser and search for TurboTax. Now you'll click on this first link. And now if you already have an account, you can enter your phone number or email ID or your user ID over here and click on sign in. So if you don't have an account, you can click on create an account over here. Okay, so now over here you will be asked to enter your email and create a password. Then you can enter your phone number and click on create an Intuit account. You will receive a 6-digit code on your phone via SMS and you will be asked to enter it. And that's it, you have created your TurboTax account. You can now start your tax return, save your progress and access all your documents securely in one place.